watch number 33 until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Evangeline and St. Landry. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
There we go! There we go, 1050, 1050. Oh, another terrible relay. I can hear EAS tones again.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: East Feliciana, Iberville, Blank Coupee, and West Feliciana.
Doesn't tell you what you
Bro!
Mississippi, Pike County in southern Mississippi, southeastern of Mid-County in southern Mississippi, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm. 3 Elyville, 47 miles north of Greensburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Source, without indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those
There we go.